Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're going to have, well, it's going to be cheater seafood pizza. As you can see, we've already rolled out a cheater dough. It's Pillsbury. We just used a thin crust, and I actually rolled it out a little bit because I didn't like how thick it was. So we ended up with actually 2.5 pizzas. Gabriella is going to make one of her own. We're going to make these. We're going to pre-bake them in the oven for just a few minutes at 425. So I hope you'll join us. We'll be right back. Well, now we've got a few ingredients. What we've done, we're kind of cheating tonight. Like I said, we're going to call this cheetah pizza. Okay. Well, let's get into the ingredients. We have
pepperoni, canned salmon,
very good.
clams,
Good.
clams,
Good.
shrimp,
Good.
mozzarella,
Excellent. Creamy Alfredo.
creamy Alfredo.
It's organic.
Organic.
Right. And
Pizza sauce.
very good. Okay. So what we did is we rolled out our dough. We pre-cooked it a little bit. And of course, these two are on pizza stones. That one's on a pizza pan. But it's okay. We're going to build them all. We're going to try them all. It's going to be awesome, right? So I'm going to build this one first, since this one is right in front of me. And I'm going to make it a clam and shrimp. Yeah, that's going to be good. You know what I need?
What?
Basil and thyme. We need fresh basil and thyme.
We have some for the garden.
Awesome! We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna make this with organic creamy Alfredo. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not my Alfredo. I can see that now, but guess what? This is supposed to be a cheetah pizza. So with cheetah pizzas, you don't use homemade Alfredo unless you already have it in the freezer. Right, Gabriella?
Yeah.
And we're going to put that down, our canned salmon that does not resemble anything humanly close to being real salmon. But again, this is a cheetah pizza. So we're going to cheat and use
Salmon.
yeah, canned salmon. Well, I hope it tastes better than it looks. Okay, it's pretty well spread out. Now, I'm going to put the baby clams. I mean, this is different. This is a seafood, or yeah, I guess you can call it seafood pizza, right?
Yeah.
And by the time that we bury it in cheese, it's going to be delicious. Watch. Now, shrimp. Plenty of
Shrimp.
baby shrimp. Now, plenty of cheese.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese, that's right. Good.
Uh-huh.
Let's throw a few pieces of basil on there.
Yeah.
You know, you can help with this.
Yeah.
So, here, grab a couple pieces. There's another. And tear it up.
Yeah. Because you know we always put basil on our foods, right, Daddy?
That's right, we like basil.
Uh-huh.
That's why we have so many plants out there. Oh, you gotta break them up a little bit more than that. Good enough. Oh, wait a minute. Time out. We forgot thyme. Gotta have a little bit of thyme on there.
Yeah. We forgot the time.
What time is it? Time for time! Ha! Anyway.
How do you even make that sound?
It's a daddy sound. There, we got plenty of time on there, okay? Let's put this in the oven. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's time to build your pizza. So you're gonna tell me how much sauce to put in.
That much sauce.
All right, let's see if that's gonna be enough to cover. So, I'm gonna spread it like this.
Smoothing it out.
That's right, smooth. Now let's add some more. You know, you realize your pizza is bigger than mine. A little bit more. We want to have a decent amount of sauce on there, right? Time for you to put the cheese on. Now you want to put it on smoothly all over. Don't squeeze it too hard. There you go. That a girl. Yeah, I'll help you with that.
Good idea. Do I need both?
Good.
I just like a lot of cheese on mine, like you.
I know. I'm the same way. Cheese is kind of a necessary ingredient.
Yeah, and very good for you.
Right. Now, let's put the pepperoni. Oh, it doesn't make any difference. You don't have to go wash your hands for that.
No.
It's only cheese.
Yeah.
Piece of pepperoni.
Now, this is not homemade pepperoni. This is store-bought pepperoni.
Yes, it is.
But very good.
Yeah?
We can share the pepperoni.
Yep.
I'll take this piece.
Okay.
One more for me.
One more for you.
And I think I'll put that one right there.
Okay.
And now some time.
Yep. Keep going.
I'll use a whole.
Exactly what time is it? 8:38. So, get the rest of your time on there. Because now we're on overtime. Now let's get some basil on here. Hey,
What?
you're not doing a good job.
I know.
Your basil is all in.
One place.
Right. I think she looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's put it in the oven. It's gonna be good. Well, let's make a margarita pizza. So we're gonna take our leftover sauce. Gonna get it on here like that.
That looks fun, Dad.
Fun?
Yeah.
I'm spreading sauce. How much fun can that be?
Fun. Sorry. My thing is to do fun things.
Yeah? Okay, that takes care of that one. Now, we're gonna add a little bit of mozzarella cheese.
There's a little bit right there that you didn't spread.
Yeah? Guess what? I promise you it's gonna even out. Now, put this on the pizza for me. We have a nice heirloom tomato that I've cut up. Good. One more right there. Perfect. You know, I'm gonna steal one more. Put it right in the middle.
That's what I was gonna do.
And we're gonna throw our tomatoes on
It's
there.
almost like, say, a flower.
Yeah, close enough to a flower, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I want to scoot that one over and that one over. We're gonna get these pretty tomatoes on there.
Mm-hmm.
And let's throw just a, I know it's probably not the pizza like they do on the fancy TV shows, but you know something? I want to use up this cheese. I don't want it to go to waste.
No, because if we waste, we won't have any more cheese.
Oh, we've got to put more in the refrigerator. So I think we're all set. I think this is going to work out pretty good.
Yeah, that would be a different story, though.
Yeah. All right, let's throw this one in the oven.
Yeah.
And check that out. That looks pretty good. especially for a cheetah pizza. And of course our seafood pizza.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
But it looks really good.
Yes, it does. The margarita pizza's out. Let's get our basil on there. So grab a couple of pieces. We want to leave it whole this time.
Yeah.
So, good. That's looking pretty good. Can't wait to try this. Look at this feast. I mean, you gotta check this out. You really have got to check out how pretty even this little pizza is. But anyway, let's cut this up.
That looks amazing, Daddy.
Yeah. You know what's gonna be even better?
What?
Eating it.
I think that looks amazing.
Yeah? Well, I guess we'll just have to see what it tastes like.
Yep. If it tastes terrible or delicious.
Well, I don't think it's gonna be terrible
No.
because we built it together. And we don't build terrible things. Right?
Right?
Okay. Anyway, let's give our audience a little bit of a look at this. I think it looks pretty good.
Well, they can't watch it right now because we're filming right now.
Right. But let's see. I'll cut you a bite. I'll cut myself a bite. Here's your bite. Make sure it's not too hot. You know, honestly, for being cheetah pizza, this actually came out pretty darn good. Of course, the fresh herbs really go a long way with it. But the tomato's good. The pizza is perfectly cooked. It's a nice thin crust, the way that we like it. I hope that this will inspire you to just try it. I mean, what do you get to lose? Anyway, thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. God bless you. Please like us on YouTube.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yep. And please subscribe. You can get this recipe or how to do it at
www.cookingwiththecount.com.
Thank you. God bless and bon appetit.